When you sprinkle salt on ice, something surprising happens. It starts to melt, but the temperature actually drops even more. Why? It's not magic, it's science. When salt is added to ice, it lowers the freezing point. Normally, water freezes at 0 degrees, 32 degrees, but when salt is added, it disrupts the ability of water molecules to bond and freeze. This causes the ice to melt, but melting requires energy. To melt, the ice absorbs heat from its surroundings, including from itself and anything touching it. This process pulls thermal energy away, causing the overall temperature to drop below freezing, sometimes down to get a 10 degree or 14 degrees or lower. So, next time you see ice and salt, remember, it's all about that science. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the world.